I just want to show you how mosquitoes don't respect you. He's right there. He's right there. Oh, 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 oh. Where's he going? Where's he going? There he is. They do not care about your net. They will find a way in here and eat you in your sleep. I just think that part of being productive is probably waking up early enough for you to just lay in bed and not do anything. So today I tried it. And I laid in bed and I read a couple chapters of a book. And then as I was reading, my mind was zoning in on what needs to be done today. The first thing that came to my mind was, you gotta water the plants. Gotta water the plants. And I was just thinking, like, normally when I'm already like out of town is when I remember, like, dude, the plants. So I'm like, I haven't even gotten out of bed and I'm already like focused on the plants, so that's good. Gotta call my pastor. I'm actually working on this project, and it's just a discipline. It's just an exercise. It's an exercise to develop positive dialogue between people that matter. One of the exercises is that I wake up in the morning and I send a voice note to my mom, to my dad, my pastor, my uncle, my homie who hit me up last night. I'm so proud of you, bro. Shout out to the homie, Tone Deuce Mob. Yes, bro, Victor. I've been looking for him for years and years, and I finally got in contact with him last night. I don't know how he found me, but he hit me up, and I'm so happy for that. So I'm definitely going to send him a voice note, except that he's 3 hours behind, so I got to wait, like, till later on in the day to be like, I love you, bro. I love you so much. Yes. That's very helpful, very helpful. Creating that dialogue, super helpful, carries you throughout the day in a positive mood. And then when you see those people are already just like, I love this guy. All right, so I did it. I took care of all my voice notes. I messaged the homie, Tone Do Smile, I love you, bro. Messaged my mama, my dad, my aunties, my uncle, my pastor. I got all that stuff out the way. I got a lot of stuff taken care of already. It's only like 9:30 in the morning, and I'm getting ready to head back home and water the garden and clean up the house a little bit, and then go do some other stuff. Did I say breakfast? Oh, I think I said breakfast, but I didn't know we were gonna eat here. I didn't know we were going to eat here. Oh yeah. Who's that? Who's that? Tata! Look at your eyes, you just woke up. Hi, little baby. Hi, Tata. Okay, she's grumpy. She grumpums. Oh yeah. This is definitely regular day in Dominican Republic. Just big chilling, big eating. I just want to show you guys a little bit of how I do gardening in Dominican Republic. I don't know how everybody else does gardening around here. I'll show you how I've been doing it. I'm working in my yard. It's not perfect, but trust me, it's a lot better than what it was. I just want to give you a tip. If you got a hose and you can just set it on the plants and water the plants while you're working in the yard, that's what I'm doing. All I'm doing. It's easier to weed when the ground is wet. So if you got gloves and you don't mind the mud, it's a lot easier to pull out the weeds. One of the things that I use to weed is a shovel. All right. Just barely drag the shovel over the top. You don't want to dig too deep into the ground, but just enough to where you're pulling out the root. There's rocks, there's ants, there's bugs, there's insects, there's thorns, all what, yeah. It's fun. It's a thrill. I just do that, you know. This, what is this? No. Just a weed. So you'll notice I'll clean for a little bit and then I'll move the water hose to the next plant. Okay, rip the whole plant out. I'm very excited to give you guys a peek into what I've been working on in this yard, and hopefully you guys get to see it. So today I've just been doing basic cleaning, you guys. I'll put the camera over here, show you guys a little bit of what's going on in this section right there with the weeds. I've just been pulling stuff out, pulling it out. Okay, so definitely when you're doing that, I squat down because being hunched over, yeah, it's not fun. All right, so I did a little bit of weeding. I'm not that great at it since I'm learning as well. You guys are just lucky to join me in this process. So I'm gonna rake it up and sweep it up. Find a lot of cool stuff in the yard, guys. Buried treasure. I'm trying to keep the soil as clean as possible, so any trash, any plastic wraps, any plastic bags, bottle caps, pick them up. Pick them up, toss them aside. Loyal to the soil. Shout out to the homie Eddie Mac. Loyal to my soil and I'm solid to my clique. Deep in hot water, let it boil to the brim. Woo! We should have like Olympics, like cleaning Olympics, you know, or like just like super dirty house, dirty property, and then like first person to bust down and get it clean, man or woman, champion. Like who's gonna go against me with a broomstick? Come on, let's go. All right, guys, so we talked a little bit about the yard. You know, I showed you guys a little bit about how I pull weeds out, start yanking stuff out the ground, you know what I mean? If you wet the soil, it's a lot easier to pull it out, you know what I mean? Cover your hands, wear shoes, you know what I mean? Shoes that you don't care about. My shoes are like, whoo, super bad condition. When you're done working, when you want to take a couple minutes to cool down, check your messages, you know what I mean? Tell your girlfriend, hey, how you doing? You know, I'm doing real good. You know what I mean? You go and get you some water. You know, so send that voice note out to your mom, I love you, mom, and get you water, enough water to stay hydrated. I've already drank like 6 of these, and thank God I got a lot of them because I need them. So I'll see you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to learn. Like I said, we're going to be doing a lot of projects, so stay tuned.